Hi, boys and girls. Are you having fun writing the sounds that you can hear? What should you do if you don't know how to write a sound that you hear? Let me show you one thing that I do, okay? Today I wanted to write the word roots because in this picture here, we can see the roots of the plant. So I'm going to start by saying the sounds. Oo, t. Let me say those again. I know how to write that sound. Let me say the sounds again. Ooh, ooh. Now, I checked on my board and I don't see any letters that make that sound. So I might need to ask an older brother, an older sister, a friend, a mom, or a dad, what letter makes the sound ooh? Okay? My friend Mr. Brennan told me that we make the sound ooh using two O's. Okay? There are some other letters that make silly sounds together. One is SH, that makes shh. Another one is TH, that makes th. And another one is CH, that makes ch. So if you hear a sound that's not on your alphabet board, you can ask somebody for help. Have fun!